Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find Biometrics and password. Then let's tap on Fingerprint ID, and before we will be able to add the fingerprint we have to send a regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to add it right now. So let me change it to the pattern. I prefer patterns, so let me add the pattern and tap on Done. So now we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, or we can do it after adding it. So it's up to you. You can either tap on Unlock Device, for example, or tap on New Fingerprint. Now we've got the instructions, so we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the side of our device, on the power button. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course, so change the position of your finger. Now the edges. OK, and tap on OK to confirm. If you wish, you can set up face recognition. I don't want to do that. And here we've got more fingerprint options. So again, we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. Here we can decide how we want to unlock our device. So we can either rest our finger on the power button to unlock it, or rest our finger and press the button. It's up to you, but I think that the first option is much more comfortable to use. Here, whether you want to feel the vibrations when the fingerprint is not recognized. Here we've got also the fingerprint list. So this is the fingerprint we just added. You can rename it or remove it. It's up to you. Add another fingerprint and identify fingerprints. Basically, it's better if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, so you can just put the finger on the sensor, and your device will highlight the finger which you are using right now. Alright, so let's lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.